Hello everyone, once again welcome back to this video. So in this video I am going to tell you about the hypothalamic pituitary hormones. So first, as we all know, from the pituitary we have acidophils and basophils. So from the eosinophilic, or we can say acidophilic cells, there were two hormones. So eosinophilic or acidophils, or we can say eosinophilic, have the two hormones, and the name of those hormones were growth hormone and prolactin. So growth hormone and prolactin were the acidophilic hormones, while the basophilic hormones were ACTH, LH, FSH and TSH. These four hormones were basophilic, and the acidophilic hormones were growth hormone and prolactin hormone, and these hormones were secreted from the hypothalamus, as we all know. So from the hypothalamus, and these were in the pituitary. So from the hypothalamus, from corticotropin releasing hormone, it secretes the ACTH, and the gonadotropin releasing hormone secrete the LH and FSH, and the thyrotropin releasing hormone secrete the thyrotropin stimulating hormones, while the prolactin is and growth hormone is secreted from the growth hormone releasing hormone. So growth hormone releasing hormone secrete the growth hormone, and prolactin is secreted. Now which hormone gets inhibited by which hormone? So which hormone inhibit the other hormone? So in this video I am going to tell you this. So as we all know, corticotropin releasing hormone secrete the ACTH, means it secrete the ACTH. Gonadotropin hormone releasing hormone also secrete the LH and FSH. Thyrotropin releasing hormone secrete the thyrotropin stimulating hormone, and growth hormone releasing hormone secrete the growth hormone, means these all were secrete these hormones. Now the inhibitory factor. So in the inhibitory, we remember that the prolactin inhibit the growth hormone gonadotropin releasing hormone. So prolactin inhibit the gonadotropin releasing hormone, means prolactin give the negative feedback to gonadotropin releasing hormone, means it inhibit the LH and FSH, it decrease the LH and FSH. And the dopamine inhibit the prolactin. Dopamine inhibit the prolactin, and dopamine also inhibit the thyrotropin stimulating hormone. It also inhibit the thyrotropin stimulating hormone. So dopamine also inhibit the thyrotropin stimulating hormone and also the prolactin hormone. And the somatostatin, as we all know, somatostatin inhibit the growth hormone. So somatostatin, it also inhibit the growth hormone as well as the thyrotropin stimulating hormone. So it also inhibit the growth hormone and thyrotropin stimulating hormone. Now, so this is the table which we must remember, because it is a very important table in the USMLE book. You can visit this table at the page number 328. At page number 328, it is very important, and we must remember that prolactin inhibit the gonadotropin releasing hormone, and dopamine inhibit the TSH and prolactin, and growth hormone releasing hormone stimulate the growth hormone. Somatostatin inhibit the growth hormone and thyrotropin stimulating hormone. So these inhibitory factors, means which hormone inhibit which factors, we must remember these, because these are very important and these are very helpful in solving the questions. I hope you get benefit of this video. Thank you and bye bye.